Let us make a quick dashboard in this data. The data has got columns like date, product, category, sales rep, the number of units, price, and amount. So for that, first you have to make some pivot tables. And let's see, before that, let us see whether the data is all right or not. So sometimes when you've got some empty data like this without any columns, it's better to remove this. This will get totals. So go to the end of the data once and see everything is all right. Be in any of the cells here. Then go to insert pivot table. And because you have been inside the data, it selects automatically. Then we say it is in a new worksheet. Okay, okay. Let us say what you want to make. First, you want to make product wise number of units sold. How many of these have been sold? Now, this is a pivot table, but I have to name it. Let us call it as pivot tables. Now, this is product. We selected product and product underscore and named it. Copy this. Make 4 copies, maybe 3 copies. Let's make one more. Do not want, we can always delete it. Made 4 copies. Now, this one, I do not want product. I want category and amount. Oh, but I have to remove this number of units I do not. Another one, nothing but amount and category. So rename this also. Go to table options. This is category. Category or amount. Okay. Now this one is the third one. This is, we want to change it to, let us say, product I don't want. I want sales rep and amount. So change the name again. Pivot table options, sales rep. Third pivot is ready. Fourth pivot, let's see whether what we can do. What we can do for, let us say month wise, what is the amount? And I do not want other things. Month wise, what is the amount? So let us call it. Again, change the name. Month. So made 4 of them. Then it is go for 5th one. What can be there? Date wise amount, not number. City wise is city wise. I not made, I think. One more we can have. City wise number of units. Yeah, city wise number of units. And change the name. City entity. So I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pivot tables. Now I make graphs for this. This one can be either a column or I'll show you both and see why I decided to have a bar. So let us say insert. It's a column chart. You can see this names are coming in 2 places. Instead of that, if I change this to the names are in 1. Then I do not want this one. I have to save, hide. So and change the name of the things. This is product. Product wise sale. Bring it here, keep it there. This one can be a pie because only 3 categories are there. So let me say insert a pie chart. Now, if I remove this one, I get more place here. So this category wise Now I want to put data labels. Format data label. I want series name also. I want category name. And I do not want any comma there. I just want a new line. And this one also I do not want. So remove, hide. We can change the color. So that is done. Then I have the third graph here. This is done. Let me make another graph. So I'll do this. Or what I'll do here, cut, put a new sheet and paste it here. So that I got more space to work. Here, two graphs. Now three more graphs to be made. This one is sales rep wise. So third can be a same changes. I do not want this one. Hide there. Sales rep price amount, how much each person has brought. And if I put, I can remove the grid line if I don't want it for beautification. So cut. Now I have this one. City wise, and make a graph. Insert. This can be a column chart again. Bring it here. On this one, hide field buttons. Totals not required. And put data labels. If the data labels are there, remove this line. This labels can be changed. Total is city-wise quantity. I think there's a problem with this one because city-wise quantity has no meaning. So let's see, change the in the pivot table. Quantity has no meaning. I want to see that thing, so let's see pivot table options. Show field list. So number of units unless there is a product. So product wise is already done. So sales rep wise or city wise is better to have amount. So call this as name of this pivot. Change city wise amount, how much each city is giving. So this city wise sales. One is there month wise. So here I have so third insert, and whenever months are there, it is better to have a line. So make it a line graph here. Is month wise sales. Month wise. Total is not required here. It's better itself. On the graph, I can do that by going to format data series, then clicking on the bucket here. And last, there is something that's smooth. Given trend for each month, how it is moving. month to month. And amount is restricted from around 60,000 plus to, and then where is the bottom. So around utilize, we get some idea. So this one also I do not want. So hide. We have 5. So let me copy this control to the next sheet and put it. What? Change it later. This one control. Let's cut. Then go to one. And the last one printing here. On, I think all of them here. So it is the line graph. Yes. Now I want to do beautification here. So I want to is not what. So let me remove the grid lines first. I don't want to grid lines. Be here first. To view grid lines. You can change the color or the background to gray maybe. I'll make this home gray. Then I'll make this here to make some heading. Insert text box. Insert here. Sales. Increase the size. So make it 28 so that it becomes quite big enough. And maybe color to white. Put here. Put here and put central. No. Done here. Plus. Fifth grass. It's gonna accommodate maybe here. So this the total is not required. Also be made color. Now I need to make this. I have to make. So go to, let us make month-wise slicer. So let us get into any of these graphs here. Insert slicer. I want slicer for month. And I have slicer tools. Number of columns instead of one can be 3 columns. Then slicer settings. Show items with no data last. Hide items with no data. So I get one. Make another slicer for product wise or category wise. So insert slicer this time and select first. Insert slicer. So maybe category. Okay. Bring the category here. Make it here. Smaller. The connections. Now here. Slicer tools. Report connections. So month-wise sales, there is no point because already month-wise. So apart from that, I can put it for other, not one for month-wise. I say May. I get the data of August, month of June is not connecting to this. So let me see. Made the slicer. Now to fit it inside, you can make the magnification accordingly. Any size of this if you want, or you can make another third slicer. Logo if necessary. So we have a dashboard. We have a dashboard. This alignment can be done. A little beautiful here.